Hey everyone, welcome. Hey Tylak, welcome Tylak,
Hi,
welcome.
David.
How are you, bud?
Good to see you.
Great to see you. All right, all right, guys. Let's go ahead and get started here. All right. Um, as you guys know, the markets will close. Equity markets close today. All right. Um, so we'll go over. We don't have a lot of information on equities this evening. We will go through some good developments. All right. And then we'll spend some time on Forex. All right. And let's see here. And we'll take a quick look at also the US 30. Um, Not a lot of action today. So, not a lot of movement, not a lot of volatility. All right. In Forex. Um, but we'll go through what's developing. I'm trying to find yeah, US 30 right here. Okay. All right. Okay. We talked about this last night. All right. The NASDAQ, guys. All right. So make sure you make a note here. All right. The NASDAQ is breaking out. And that's great news. All right. Great news for technology stocks. All right. Um, It's the only index that's really moving right now. All right. So if you guys look here, broke through resistance right here, all green candles. All right. If we are up tomorrow, right, the market's up tomorrow, we could get a buy signal on the Nasdaq. Now, keep in mind it's on the weekly time frame, so that's a big deal, right? If we can get a buy signal, no buy signal yet on the weekly time frame on the Dow, so still consolidating. All right, the S&P, right? If we can break out tomorrow, all right, we can break out tomorrow or anytime this week, we could get a buy signal on the S&P. Also, right now, um, the equity markets are holding, right? They're holding and moving higher. All right, so markets aren't crashing here. All right, so holding, moving higher, and equity stocks have been doing well. Stocks have been doing well also, but the good news is the Nasdaq. So those of us who trade Bullmaster, Stock Boss, Heat Seeker, really pay attention to your to Heat Seeker this week and look for opportunities. All right. Now on the daily time frame, here, right here, here's the Nasdaq. So we've moved everything from the 240, all right, from the 240-minute time frame to the daily time frame. So here is the Nasdaq here, guys. Here is the Nasdaq right here. Buy signal, right? Buy signal right here, and that's moving up nicely. All right, all right. So, and again, that's on your daily time frame. All right. So that's great news for technology stocks. Great news for the equity markets. All right. Also, the other buy signal that we have, not as strong as the Nasdaq, is the S&P. So here's the buy signal on the S&P. All right, and this was the close on Friday of last week, and right at resistance here, we get buying tomorrow this week. This could break out, so that's good for the S&P. Right, the Dow is holding, right, holding right now, right, red candles here, no buy signal. The other index that we have a buy signal on is the Russell. So it's got a buy signal here, retraced a bit. So we've got three buy signals out of the four um, indexes. And again, this is on the daily time frame. So that's good news. All right. Good news there. VIX is below 20. So that's good. All right. That's good. I want to show you guys this though. All right. So right here, all right, these are the top sectors right now to trade. All right. So this one right here is at 28. All right. And it's up blue here, and that's biotech. Okay. So biotech is good. But if you guys look here, technology is second right here, 27, and that's up. All right. And that's technology stocks right here. That's the sector. All right. That's the sector. So here, NASDAQ, right, is the index right here. And then here, right, technology, that's the sector. So really pay attention to your heat seeker and your technology stocks. Okay. Hey, Betty, welcome, Betty. And if you guys look here on Friday, right, on Friday, technology did the best, right? Closed for the day on Friday of 2.84%. All right, which is really good, which is really good. So keep that in mind. All right, keep that in mind. That's stocks are developing and really looking to break out. All right, really looking to break out. And we've been trading several stocks. All right, so if you guys look here, right, if you guys look here, these are all the stocks that we're trading in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Okay, we won't go through these stocks this evening because markets were closed right today, equity markets, but we'll go through these tomorrow. All right. So I just wanted to review what's going on with equities. Okay, that's going to be especially if the markets can really break out. We can get the Dow to really move higher, right? Get the S&P to break resistance. We could see stocks continue to do really, really well. All right. Let's take a look at the current positions in Forex. And you guys know we've got two trades going, which is the dollar, right? The dollar trade has been doing really well. And then the yen trade. All right. So those of us who trade Forex, all right, that's where we should be. We should be long the dollar, long the yen. All right. There are other trades you guys can take short. All right. The euro trade short, but primary trades we want to be in. All right. Or the dollar, right? Dollar pairs and then the yen pairs. All right. So let's go through the current positions. All right. Current positions. And let's do this here. Long positions. So let me change this. If you guys have any symbols you want to take a look at, let me know. We can take a look at those symbols. But we want to focus on, right, the particular trend that we're in, right now, which is the dollar trade and the yen trade. If you guys look here, this is the dollar index. Right, here is the dollar index. All right, currently in the futures market, it's up. Dollar is up. All right, here is support on the daily time frame. So we caught really good support, right, on the dollar index. All right, and we can track the dollar index because the dollar, the dollar pairs will follow the dollar index. So we do have a buy signal here on the dollar index, and nice early in the markup phase here. All right, so keep that in mind as we go through these pairs. All right, so USD CZK, guys. All right, buy signal is right here. Buy signal is right here, and look at this trade all the way up here. All right, so buy signal is here, and we're all the way up here. All green candles. All right, all green candles. So nothing to do. All right. I wouldn't add, right? So I wouldn't scale up here. You got a purpose, support, and resistance. So be careful here. Price is slowing down a bit. All right. So I wouldn't add. So if anyone is in it, don't add. But buy signal is here, and that's a nice trade going. All right. USD CZK. Right, the next one that we're in, buy signal all the way down here. Now this is on the 240-minute time frame. Okay, guys, in Monster Scalper. So USD SGD buy signal is here. All right, all the way up here, nicely in the markup phase. All right, this one you guys could possibly add. I would still be careful, right, because it's gone up quite a bit. But we have yellow support and resistance here, so you might have an opportunity to add here. But great trade going here for lots of pips. All right, this one here is for about what's that? Almost 300 pips or so. Okay. USD SEK, another great trade, guys. These dollar trades are really doing well. Dollar trades and yen trades. Okay. USD SEK buy signal all the way down here. You guys can see that here. Nice price action. Right. All green candles, nothing to do. So just hold on to the trade. Looking to break resistance right here. All right, looking to break resistance right here, yellow line right here. You could possibly add here, but again, be careful. It's gone up quite a bit. Nice trades here going. All right, USD DKK, another good trade. All right, if you've missed these dollar trades, too late to get into these. All right, USD DKK buy signal here, all the way up here, all green candles, right? Nicely in the markup phase. Nothing to do there. All right. USD NOK, another good trade. Buy signal here. All right. Moving nicely up in the markup phase. USD CHF, that's a new one here. All right. So USD CHF, buy signal is here and it's holding right now. All right. This is still good to get in. All right. So if you guys are looking for a dollar trade, this one's still good to get in. All right. The others here have gone. They're too late. USD PLN is another one here to get. You can still get in. I would wait for the price to get near resistance. We know buyers are coming back in. They're holding right here, but you've got pretty good resistance here. All right. So I would say wait to let price get closer to that resistance, so you know buyers are getting ready to take that price up. All right, so nice. See here, guys, all these dollar pairs, right? We've been trading these, tracking these. Okay, so that's where you want to be. The next trade are the yen pairs, right? And I mentioned that. So two trades. If you're trading Forex, all right, these are the trades where we want to be. All right, in Monster Scalper on the 240 dollar trade, and then the yen pair. So let's take a look at the yen trade here, the yen pairs. So Swiss yen buy signal is here, holding up nicely. Dollar yen, which is doing really well, right? Dollar yen buy signal is here. All right, nice price action, doing really well. Pound yen, another one, buy signal is here. Pound yen is moving up nicely. If pound yen, you know, pound yen is a big mover. So if it can break resistance right here, we could see pound yen really take off, guys. All right. These yen pairs are setting up to really move. All right. Let's see here. Euro yen. That's another one here. Buy signal is here, holding nicely. CAD yen. Buy signal is here. Look at this. All right. They all look very similar, guys. They will run together. And then TRY, JPY, we got out of this one. All right. So red candle here, very funky chart. We really should not have gotten in this. We were hoping that it would get past this consolidation in here. All right. So it's back in this area, red candle. So we should be out. All right. So if anyone is in it, just close that trade. The rest of the trades are doing really well, though. Okay. What I'm gonna do is
David, I'm sorry to interrupt
yes.
you until I hear.
Hey, Tyler.
I got into that Turkish and yen, the TRY yen. I got
Oh,
on the
you did?
bicycle. I got in. I didn't close it out. In fact, I'm going to close it out right now. Kind of forgot about it, but I don't know why. I've never gotten in it before, and I should have known. But it always goes sideways. It doesn't seem to take off. The TRY yen never seems to take off. But for this one time, I got in right at the buy signal, and it
Mm-hmm.
didn't really take off like it normally does. But I was looking at the all-time highs way back, like almost where your cursor is right now, even beyond that. And I was thinking maybe it'll climb, go back into that direction, and it never took off like always.
Yeah, it's been consolidating here. This on the monthly time frame, Tyler. And if you look here, from here, hold on. So it's been, it's a big mover, but I tell you, for the last year, it hasn't been, right? This is what it's done here in the last year here. So a lot of funky price action with that Turkish pair. So I don't know what's going on, but yeah, it's very funky price action. On the monthly, on the weekly, see here, you see here a lot of, if we brought this, if we look at it here. Hold on. So here is support here, and this is going back a year, all the way back to 2000. Let's see here. Well, not a year. I would say 6 months or so. 6 months. All right. Hey, Mary, welcome. Mary, welcome. So you have a lot of consolidation right here. So the beginning of, so last year, nice price action going down, but since January or so, it's been in a funky consolidation right here. All right, so it's been consolidating quite a bit there. So I'm not surprised that that gave an exit signal to get out. So Talak, you got out of it now, right? You're out of it.
I'm closing it right now.
Yeah, yeah.
I hung in it. I'm closing it right now.
Yeah. So if you got, look here, just a lot of consolidation. Horrible. Look at that. That's a horrible chart. Really should not have called that trade there. All right. So just get out of it. There's nothing here. All right. Just nothing there. Are you in any of the other yen pairs or dollar pairs?
No, I'm not. I'm going to get into USD CHF right now.
Okay, okay. That's the only one that looks good. All the others have gone. I mean, they've left, and they're doing well. They're doing well. The other one is that's you guys could still get in, but like I said, wait for a little bit more buying to come in, is USD PLN. Okay. Which is the top one? Let me see which is the top pair right now. But that's the trade. That's the trade. The dollar and the yen pairs. Hey, Solomon, welcome. Let's see here. The top. That's funky. Okay, so USD SEK. That's the top dollar pair trade going right now. USD SEK. And then Swiss yen. Was it Swiss yen? No, HKD JPY. That's another top yen pair. But that's the best trade right now for Forex. Okay, that's the best trade. Let's go back here. All right, shorts. Let's take a look at shorts in Monster Scalper. All right. The short trade, if you guys, the short trade are the euro pairs, euro and pound pairs. But ideally, the trade you guys want to, you should be in the dollar and the yen. All right. EUR SGD, that's still holding there. EUR HKD, good short they're going, guys. Okay, so if you're in it, just continue to hold on to it. All right, sell short signal here. Nice price action all the way down. You do have support down in this area here. All right, so keep that in mind. Euro dollar, another good short we got going here. All right, so right here, sell short signal here. All right, red candles. All right, and this is the reverse. Euro dollar is the reverse. All right, so Euro SEK as an example. Euro SEK as an example. All right, it's going higher. Right, the dollar. I'm sorry. Dollar SEK, and then this is euro. All right, euro dollar here. That's coming down. All right, Euro Swiss, another good one here. Sell short signal is here, still moving lower. And then the pound pairs, pound HKD, pound dollar, right? sell short signal here. That's the opposite. So those pairs we should go down. Pound Swiss. All right. Keep an eye on pound Swiss. All right. We have we should be out of this. Okay, we should be out of this. That sell short signal close. So let's get out of that here. Okay, and then Aussie Swiss is still holding here. Okay. All right. Now, Forex Dominator have been doing well. All right, so let's take a look at those trades. We'll take a look at the longs. So USD CNH. All right. Right. So again, the dollar pairs. That's the theme here. Dollar long, yen long. All right. Hopefully we can get another trade like this. Look at that trade here. All right. So buy signal here, holding nicely. USD CNH. All right. Nothing to do, guys. Nothing to do there. USD CZK. All right. That's a good one here. So TILAC. If you're looking for, I know you trade Forex Dominator. If you're looking for trading Forex Dominator, here's a good one here. All right. Buy signal came in. What's that? 3 days ago. Well, it came in. What was Sunday, Monday? So Friday, buy signal came in. Breaking resistance, still right near the buy signal. That's a good one. That's a good one there. All right. In Forex Dominator. Okay. And that's a dollar pair. So the dollar pairs. And if you want further confirmation, right? Right? We can go right here and we can see that the dollar index, guys, the dollar index, after falling quite a bit, is now moving back higher, right? Moving up again. So that's good confirmation. Right, and we have no support and resistance lines. All right, nice price action, so that should help the dollar pairs. And the dollar pairs have moved quite a bit, but that doesn't mean they can't move higher. Right, they can certainly move higher. Okay, all right. Okay, so USD CZK. All right, USD DKK is a fairly close near the buy signal too. All right, so that's still a good one to get into. Okay, USD SEK, that's too late to get into. Buy signal is here, and that's breaking out, moving up nicely. USD SGD, buy signal is here. That's too late to get into. Okay, this one here could really start to move if it can get past this area here. We've got some resistance here, so it looks like it could get past that area here and move higher. And then dollars are all right. Nice moving dollars are. Buy signal is here, and that's moving up nicely. Okay, so those are the dollar pairs. Look at this, right? Look at this. Dollar and Monster Scalper long, dollar and Forex Dominator, and also the yen pairs. Aussie yen, right, still holding there. CAD yen, that's breaking out. Buy signal is here. It's breaking out. Swiss yen, good one here going, right? And this is Forex Dominator, so this is for a lot of pips. This one here, how many pips is that? That's almost a little over 500 pips there. All right, lots of pips there. All right, so that's Swiss yen, euro yen. All right, that's breaking out and holding well. Pound yen. All right, buy signal is here. All right, nice price action, guys. All right, moving straight up. HKD JPY, buy signal is right here. That's moving up nicely. NZD JPY, right? That's still consolidating. Not a very good chart. The hope is we can get buyers to come back in and break through the highs. All right, we've got some resistance here. Hold on. All right, so we've got some resistance, I would say, right here. All right, so we just need support is down here. So we just need buyers to, all right, support and resistance here, right? Resistance, support. We just need, we have white candles. We just need buyers to come back in. If you're not in this, I wouldn't trade it. All right, this is a bit difficult here to trade. Okay. Um, SGD JPY, and that this one here is breaking out. Okay, buy signal is here, retraced a bit, but holding, and now it's moving up higher. Euro ZAR, right? Long Euro ZAR. The ZAR pairs are moving up, right? Nicely. Dollar ZAR right here, dollar ZAR, and then Euro ZAR. I think we missed pound ZAR. I think we missed pound ZAR. Let's take a look at pound ZAR. Yeah, we missed this trade here. All right, pound ZAR was the first one to really take off. We missed it, but we caught the dollar ZAR and Euro ZAR. But great trade going here with pound ZAR. All right, great trade going there. If anyone got on that trade, let me know. And then pound SGD, that's holding nicely here. Okay, so not bad trades in Forex Dominator long. Let's take a look at some shorts. Some of the shorts are doing well. All right, so let's take a look at some of the shorts. All right, Aussie CAD, a good short here going in Forex Dominator. This is on the daily time frame, guys, so lots of pips here. All right, USD MXN, this is a dollar pair, and it's going totally against the other dollar pairs. Okay, so it's going short. All right, and it's still holding. Euro pound, sell short signal here, holding. Euro dollar, right? This is a new trade, short trade here. If you guys are looking for a short trade, this is not a bad short trade. All right, as the dollar continues to move higher, Euro dollar should move lower. All right, and it's still fairly early for Forex Dominator. That's still fairly early. All right. It's got a sell short signal here, so this is not a bad short trade. And then New Zealand dollar, all right, sell short signal here again, opposite of that dollar trade. All right, so that should go down. Not a bad trade here. Okay. All right. Like I said, not a lot of volatility today. Markets very, very slow. You guys should have noticed that. Right, things are very, very slow today because of the holiday. As far as futures, we're still holding. Which trade is this here? Oh, this is the S&P, right? So we are in a S&P trade here. All right, and that's holding right here. The S&P moves higher, that should move. And then live cattle. That live cattle, guys, we're still in that live cattle trade in the futures market. Buy signal is here, right? Struggled a bit, but look here, it's breaking out, breaking resistance. So it's really paying off, right? Holding on to this. All right, so buy signal is here, and now it's moving higher. All right, so that's holding well. All right. We don't have a lot of traders trading. US 30 is holding, but we don't have a lot of traders trading the NAS, right? NAS 100, but great trade going here on the 60-minute time frame. Here's the daily here, okay, on the NAS 100, okay? All right. I want to go through, and I know the markets, equity markets was closed today, but I want to go through. Last night, we went through the current trades, but we didn't look for new opportunities. So I want to see if we had new opportunities from Friday that you guys can look to get in tomorrow morning. Our sniper traders, markets were closed today, so we'll send your signals out tomorrow. Okay. But let's see if we have any opportunities for tomorrow. No new opportunities for Forex. Okay, we didn't have any real signals come in today. All right, so but let's see what we've got. Okay, for we'll start with Stock Boss, and hold on. We'll start with Stock Boss, and we'll see if we can. And we'll focus on technology. See if we can find any opportunities. Okay. Let's bring this back here. All right. So we'll look for buy signals, fresh buy signals on the day. All right. So Stock Boss. Let's run a new scan here. So they're 44. And technology here. Let's see here. All right, we've got a few technology stocks here. So let's see if we can find a new opportunity. MVLA. Let's see if MVLA. We're not in this one currently. All right. And this is in Stock Boss now. So that's not great here. This price action is not great, but this is fine. A decent markdown phase. All right. Good support, broke resistance, buy signal here, trading at 230. That's not bad. All right. If the markets, hold, even if the markets hold, they should move higher. All right. So we'll add this MVLA. All right. In Stock Boss. All right. And again, buy signal is here. All green candles here, moving up nicely. Okay. And that's technology. And you guys know what's going on with technology. Okay. On PGY. All right. We're not in this one. Here's another one here. All right. Been consolidating for a while. About 6 months or so. But buy signal here. All right, green candles are coming in. We could get a pop out of that one there. Good risk reward, guys. All right, so it fell from $33 to $1.13. All right, and you got pretty good protection here. Support. It might get you out at 89 cents. Worst case, 79, 80 cents. It's trading at $1.13. So we'll add this one here. Good risk reward. It fell from, like I said, $33. Okay. So PGY, and the markets are holding. Right. And NASDAQ is definitely, you guys look here, and I know I keep going back and forth, but you have to see why we're doing this. So if you look here, this is the NASDAQ breaking out here on the weekly time frame. And then here it is on the daily time frame here. Okay. Here's the NASDAQ. Here's the NASDAQ here. And then the sector, here's the sector right here. Technology sector. Okay. So this stock is within that that index and within that sector. Okay. So where are we? Stock boss. Okay, so we could get a move in this here. So PGY stock boss. All right, let's see what else. All right. Nothing here. Nothing here. All right. RGTI. All right, here's another one. So we're finding some opportunities, guys. I'm glad we're looking at these. All right, so here's a good one. Choppy, kind of choppy here, markdown phase, but overall good markdown phase. Good buy signal. Look here, buy signal came in at 74 cents. Traded at on Friday $1.07. All right, $1.07. It fell from what, $11 up here. All right, so not bad. Good buy signal here. All right, so we'll add this. We got 3 so far, not bad. So RGTI for stock boss. And again, this is technology. Let me make sure. Yes, technology. Okay. Nothing here. Here. TLS. All right. We're in this one already. This is a good one. We're in it already. If anyone, if you know, if you guys are looking for a trade, if you're not in it, this is an opportunity here. All right. Buy signal here. Right. I'm not sure when we got into this. It might be a week ago, but big buyers came in. Big buyers came in. That big candle here, that's confirmation. Breaking resistance, big candle, right? That's confirmation that the big traders, right, are in this. All right. So this is not a bad one here. All right, to get in. You can't trade all of them, but that's fine. All right. Good markdown phase and good risk reward too. This one fell from what's that, $36 to right now it is at $3. What's that? $3 closed at $3.33. Okay, so not bad. So we'll add this one here. No, we're in it. We're in it. So, but if you guys are looking for a trade, if you're not in it already, all right. All right, we'll add this one here. All right, good markdown phase. All right, good markdown phase here. Good risk reward. It fell from 50. All right, like I always say, we'll have let someone else buy it at 50, guys. We'll buy it down here. All right. It's holding right here. Buy signal. It's got to clear this area, but we do have a buy signal. All green candles. You got protection here at support at around 313. All right. It's trading at 385. Okay. VMER. All right. So that's for VMEO. I'm sorry. VMEO. That's stock boss. All right. That's stock boss. So you guys should be our stock boss traders. You guys should be building positions. Don't let this move get away from you. Okay. All right. ARQQ. No buy signal yet on this one here. All right. ADEA. All right. We're in this one already. All right. So it's still good to get into if you guys are looking for a trade here. That's expensive though for stock boss. It's trading at 978. So for stock boss, that's expensive. You might want to let this one go. Okay. All right. We got in. I think we might have gotten in at around eight something, but I would let this one go. All right. Let's take a quick look at Bullmaster, and then we'll be done. All right. So let's run a fresh scan. So 66 in Bullmaster. That's good. You guys know, those of you who've been with us, Tylac, you know, those of you who've been with us for a while, Solomon, 66 is a lot, right? That's pretty good. So that's healthy buying here. Look at that. All right. All right. That's healthy buying, Mary. So let's take a look here. Technology, right? So let's take a look at technology here. All right. Let's look for new opportunities for tomorrow. One second here. And there's quite a bit of technology stocks, all of these here. So from here, right, from here all the way down, all of these are technology stocks. All right, remember, NASDAQ is moving, all right, and the technology sector is moving. Okay, so let's go through these. And these are in Bullmaster. All right. So look for opportunities tomorrow, guys. All right. On. On. All right. Those of you trading Bullmaster, I would keep this. You know, we'll have it if it gives a buy signal. We'll send it out. But LITE, right? Big candle, guys. So that's buyers coming in, right? A lot of buyers coming in, a lot of volume here. So we don't have a buy signal yet, but that should come in soon. MKS. Let's see here. MKS. All right. All right. We're not in this. All right. We're not in this one here. All right. So we'll add this now. These are a bit expensive, but you can trade the call options on these. Okay. This one fell from what's that? 190, right? 190 up here. Trading at 99. All right. So this is a good one. But I would, for calls. Okay. And that is MKSI. All right. So we'll add that one in Bullmaster. Let me know if you guys have any questions on these as we go through this. MKS, Bullmaster. All right. Let's keep going. Horrible shot. Look at that. That's gone. On. Too choppy. A lot of consolidation in here. This could be a good trade, but it's got to break out. There are better opportunities. Choppy. That's gone. Okay. All right. OKTA. Let's make sure we're not in it. All right, we're not. All right, this is a good one here. Again, for calls. All right, those of you who trade options. All right, I mean, you can buy the underline. It is expensive. It's $88. All right, but good markdown phase. All right, good markdown phase. All right, good accumulation phase. And then we've got a buy signal, really nice buy signal here, right? On a break of resistance right here, buy signal right here, good solid buy-in, right? Big candle came in here on Friday. So this looks good, guys. Look at this, right? Look at this. This one fell from 270. So $272 to be exact. And it's here at 88. Okay, so we'll add this one also. OK TA in Bullmaster. All right. And, again, good one for calls. Markets is in, equity markets are looking good, guys. Again, this is technology, and tech is moving. Nice buy signal here, but nice markdown phase. But look here, guys, horrible here. All right, a lot of consolidation. All right, always take a look. Make sure when you take these trades, you're not getting in consolidation. We're almost done. All right, look at this one here. Let's make sure we're not in it. All right, ADBE. All right, we're not. All right, good one here. All right, now it's expensive, right? It's $415, right? But again, not a bad one for calls. All right, good markdown phase, right? You've got some consolidation in here. All right, but it's breaking through. All right, it's breaking through. All right, good buy signal here. If you guys look here, all right, big buyers came in. All right, on a break of resistance right here. Resistance is right here. The buy signal came in on this candle. Up on this candle, and then right here, this triangle right here. I know it's hard to see. Buy signal came in at 380, 386. Closed on Friday at 415. Buyers are coming in. They're jumping in. Okay, so this is a good one to get into. All right, you've got pretty good protection. Support right now should be about right here at 351. Worst case scenario, 320, 326. All right, and this one fell. Good risk reward. It fell from 693. Okay, and now it's trading at for a high price stock like this, not bad risk reward. So, but good for options, good for perhaps call options. Okay, so we'll add this, and that's Adobe, ADBE. All right, and that should do well, guys, with technology moving. All right, with buy signals. Right on the weekly time frame. I'm sorry, on the daily time frame. On tech, on the Nasdaq. All right, the sector is got a buy signal moving higher. This could be a good trade. All right. All right, so that's in Bullmaster. Almost done. Almost done. I'm glad we're taking a look at these because might have some opportunities for tomorrow. That's gone here. A lot of these have already left. Good one here. Just need a buy signal. ACMR. All right. Boy. Good buy signal. It's a great buy signal, but very choppy chart. So buy signal broke resistance here. Buy signal came in right here. And it's not very expensive, $19. Okay, but not a good chart here, guys. If you look here, right, not a very good chart. Very choppy. A lot of consolidation in here, all through here. Not a very clear, good markdown phase. Okay, so we'll pass on this one. All right. All right. This is a good one here. All right. WDA. I know we're not in this one. All right. So good markdown phase, right? A lot of consolidation in here, but guess what? It's gotten past that consolidation. All right. So buy signal came in right here. It gapped up and it's holding right here. Buy signal right here at 215. Again, good one for calls. Okay, so we'll add this. Keep an eye out if you guys are gonna trade this. Just just know that it might retrace a bit. Okay, it might fill in that gap before it moves higher. So just be aware of that. All right. WDAY. All right. XMTR. Hopefully we're not. Yeah, we're in this one. XMTR. We're in it. If you guys are not in it, this is a good one to still get into. Nice markdown phase. Right. Buy signal came in right here. It's relatively inexpensive. All right. Buy signal came in at 1667. Closed on Friday at 872. So it's still okay to get into. Okay. Nice markdown phase. And it, previous trade did okay here. All right. So not a bad trade here. All right. And a couple more. That's gone. And this one has gone also. AC, are we in this one? No, we're not in this one. Okay. So those are the trades. So our stock boss traders, bull master traders, you guys have some opportunities. So we've got 4 opportunities, stock boss, new opportunities. So we'll add those out and we'll send those out. We'll add those, send those. So we'll add them here. All right, we'll add them in your Monster Systems tracker. We'll send those out for you guys. Okay. Also remember, we're bringing back Tylac. I know you probably won't hear for this. I mean, Mary Solomon, you guys know about it. We're bringing back our beginners class. Okay, our beginners and Q&A class on Saturdays. Okay, Saturdays from 11 a.m. to 12 noon. All right, Eastern time. Okay, and we'll start that this Saturday. Okay, so I know some of you are not beginners anymore, but it's always good to get back to the basics. Okay, so all right, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Markets will be opened tomorrow. Our sniper traders, keep an eye out on your trades, your alerts. Okay, and then keep an eye on the markets. Watch the markets. All right. There isn't much to do with Forex. Those positions, right? The dollar positions, the yen positions, we are in those positions solid. All right. You're not going to find a lot of more opportunities right now. Those are longs. The shorts are the euro pairs, some of the pound pairs, right? Kind of mix in some of the Aussie pairs. All right. But that's the trade. All right. So if you've missed that trade, that's it. Here and there, like that dollar Swiss, dollar PLN, right? That's some opportunities there, but that's about it. All right. So if you guys have those of you trading stock boss, bull master, right? If you're in Forex, just let those trades go, let them run. All right. But start to focus more on equities. All right. The US 30, keep an eye. If anyone is in the US 30, Keep an eye. Let's take a look at the futures. Let's see what the futures are down right now. All right, futures are down right now. So if you guys are trading the US 30, just keep an eye on it. Right, if the futures get more selling overnight, you could get a sell signal to get out of that trade. So you might have to keep a close eye on it overnight. All right. Okay. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. And just keep an eye, even if you're not trading equities, this is how we learn. Keep an eye on technology, right? On that on the Nasdaq, all right, on that sector and stocks, all right. But lots of good opportunities. We're having sometimes in these markets we'll go. You guys know this. We'll go weeks, months without a lot of opportunities. And right now we get it's a really good time. We're getting a lot of opportunities in stocks, a lot of opportunities in Forex. So take advantage of it. Okay. All right, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks for coming. Bye bye, guys.